Hey, nature lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're discovering one of the most fascinating birds in the world, the woodpecker. These amazing birds can peck trees up to 20 times per second to communicate, find food, and mark their territory. Thanks to their special skulls, their brains stay perfectly safe while drumming, and their super long, sticky tongues wrap around their heads when not in use. How cool is that? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun animal facts. See you next time.